Robot and attachment design for FLL Submerged 2024 to 2025. Today is day 9 of a 15-day series building a robot using the Spike Prime base kit set number 45678. In this video, I'll be showing the building instructions, example attachments and explaining the robot. Let's dive in. The robot itself has three motors, 2 for the driving and 1 for attachments. It also has 2 types of sensor, color sensors and ultrasonic sensors. The color sensors are used to detect color on the map, and the ultrasonic sensors are used to detect the distance that something is from you. Let's dive into the building instructions.